Chat GPT. Everybody is talking about this. So I'm here with the little tutorial on Chat GPT, how to enhance Chat GPT experience. This is going to blow your mind if you haven't tried this yet. So there is this tool called Talk-to-ChatGPT. It's a browser extension. Using this extension, you can type using your microphone, just speak and it will just type it in the Chat GPT. And Chat GPT will also reply in a voice text to speech thingy. So that's what it is. So once you install this extension, and you go to the ChatGPT website, in the top right hand side you will see Talk to ChatGPT and Start button. So basically you just click on Start.
Okay.
What is Nepal?
Nepal is a landlocked country located in South Asia, bordered by India to the south, east, and west, and China to the north.
So basically you can just talk to ChatGPT, you don't have to type, and it will also reply. Here is another cool thing. You can use any voice that you want to hear. Like there are a bunch of voices to choose from. Plus you can also use this in different languages. Look at that. Even my country's language is here. It can recognize my speech if I talk in my language, which is the Nepali language. It is just straight, simple and easy to use. And you can enable and disable the mic or voice recognition just by clicking on it. Okay, so yeah, let's try this one more time. Tell me more about Nepal.
Nepal has a population of over 28 million people and is a multi-ethnic and multilingual country, with Nepali being the most widely spoken language. The country has a rich...
I'm gonna skip that. Nobody needs that info, I guess. I'm just here to share the info. Yeah, this tool is just amazing if you use ChatGPT and you don't like to type and you don't like to read. You just like to speak and hear. This is just amazing tool. Yeah, that is it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.